Imagine this for a moment. It's pouring rain outside. You can hear it drumming against the roof, but you don't care. You're sitting in a warm, beautifully lit lounge, sipping a cup of coffee. The kids are watching a movie on the big screen in the back and you don't have a single worry in the world. You're not looking for a hotel. You're not rushing to catch a flight. You're at home, but you're actually thousands of miles away, parked in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by nothing but nature. The sound of rain becomes your background music. The smell of fresh coffee fills the air. And for the first time in months, you feel completely at peace. That's the magic of Motorhome living. And today, we are going to show you the vehicle that makes all of that possible. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to have you here because today we have something truly special. We are getting our hands on what might just be the ultimate family adventure machine for 2026. The brand new Roller Team Kronos 274S. Now, I know a lot of Motorhomes claim to be family friendly. I've seen so many of them. They say things like, it sleeps 4, and then you open it up and it's just a couple of tiny beds shoved together. But this is a completely different league. The Roller Team Kronos 274S is a luxury low-profile Motorhome built on the legendary Ford Transit chassis. And let me tell you, it is packing some seriously impressive specifications. We are talking about 6 registered seats and 6 comfortable beds. Yes, you heard that right. 6 beds in a floorplan that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. It's spacious, it's elegant, and it's designed with families in mind. But wait, there is so much more. There are some huge hidden features tucked away in this design that make it stand out from absolutely anything else on the market today. I'm not just talking about extra storage or a better fridge. I'm talking about smart innovative touches that make your life easier, safer, and more comfortable. So stick around because I'm about to take you on a full tour of the new Roller Team Kronos 274S. I'm going to show you exactly why this Motorhome is getting so much attention and why it might just be the Motorhome of the year. Whether you're a weekend adventurer or a full-time traveler, this vehicle is going to blow your mind. Alright, let's start with the outside because the design here is absolutely stunning. The 2026 model sports a fresh modern look with solid gray sidewalls that give it a premium, rugged aesthetic. It's not just about looking good though. Every design choice here is functional. The Roller Team Kronos 274S stretches just over 7.3 meters in length. That's about 24 feet for my American friends. Now, that makes it long enough to be incredibly spacious, but still short enough to be easy to handle. You can park it in most campsites. You can maneuver it through narrow European streets. It's the perfect balance. The exterior features a large electric awning that extends out to give you shade on those sunny afternoons. You've got a massive storage locker underneath for all your outdoor gear. And look at those wheels, they've got stylish alloy rims that really complete the look. It sits on a Ford Transit chassis, which is known for its reliability and smooth driving experience. And this engine. It's a powerful 2.2-liter diesel engine producing around 165 horsepower. It's got plenty of power for climbing hills and overtaking on highways. But the magic really happens when you step inside. So let's open this sliding door and take a look. Oh wow. First impressions. The cabin feels absolutely huge. And that's thanks to the spacious dinette area. When you walk in, you're greeted by a large versatile lounge with a comfortable L-shaped sofa. The table in the center is big enough for the whole family to sit around for meals, board games, or just relaxing together. And here's something really clever, the cab seats actually swivel around. That's right. The driver and passenger seats rotate to face the living area. So suddenly, your lounge becomes this social hub where everyone can sit together and chat. It creates a warm, inclusive atmosphere that's perfect for family time after a long day of exploring. Now, let's talk about the sleeping arrangements because this is where the Kronos 274S really, truly shines. The layout has been cleverly designed to give everyone in the family their own private sleeping space. You're not all crammed together in one bed. Everyone gets their own spot. First up, we have the electric drop-down bed. At the front of the Motorhome, positioned above the dinette, you have this massive electrically operated double bed. It measures a generous 190 by 160 centimeters. That's a proper full-size double bed. And let me tell you, it feels incredibly luxurious. The mattress is thick and comfortable. The bedding is premium quality. And the best part? You can lower it down with just the touch of a button. It's so convenient. At night, you press the button and the bed descends smoothly and quietly. In the morning, you press the button again and it goes back up, giving you full access to the living space during the day. It's practical, it's efficient, and it's just so cool. Next, we have the bunk beds. At the rear of the Motorhome, we have something that the kids are absolutely going to love. 2 single bunk beds. But these aren't just any bunk beds. They are incredibly spacious. We're talking about beds that are 216 centimeters long. That's over 7 feet. Even tall teenagers will be able to stretch out and sleep comfortably with no issues. There are reading lights and storage shelves built into each bunk, giving everyone their own little private nook. And here is a detail that I absolutely love: the lower bed can actually be folded up. When you do that, you get access to the rear garage. So you can easily load and unload your gear without having to go outside. It's such a smart design feature. And of course, if you need even more sleeping space, the main dinette converts into a comfortable double bed. So the total sleeping capacity is 6. You have a large electric double bed at the front. You have a dinette double in the middle. And you have 2 solid bunk beds at the back. This is a perfect setup for a family of 6. No more arguments about who gets the good bed. Everyone has their own space. Alright, let's move to the heart of the home. The kitchen. You know, traveling with a family means you're going to be cooking quite a bit. You can't just eat out for every meal. So you need a kitchen that actually works well. And let me tell you, this kitchen is superbly equipped. The layout is designed to be efficient and practical. You've got a large 135-liter fridge with a separate freezer compartment. That's a lot of space. You can store a whole week's worth of groceries in there. And this is a tri-mix fridge, which means it can run on 12-volt power, 220-volt power, or gas. So you don't have to worry about keeping the food cold no matter where you are. Even if you're camping off-grid, the fridge keeps running. You won't have to throw away spoiled food ever again. Above the fridge, you have a 3-burner gas hob. The burners are powerful and efficient. You can boil water quickly. You can cook a full meal for the family without any trouble. There's also a sink with a foldable cover that gives you extra counter space when you're preparing meals. And let's talk about the storage. The kitchen has multiple drawers and cabinets with soft close mechanisms. Everything feels solid and well built. It's the kind of quality you'd expect from a premium motorhome. I also love the lighting in here. The 2026 model features smart ambient lighting that just makes the whole space feel warm and inviting. You've got LED strip lights under the cabinets that illuminate the countertops perfectly. There are dimmable lights in the ceiling so you can set the mood. Everything from the quality of the cabinetry to the soft touch materials gives you that premium hotel-like feel. It's not just a motorhome kitchen. It's a chef's kitchen that happens to be on wheels. And then we walk into the washroom. Now, on a motorhome of this size, you often have to make some serious compromises in the bathroom. Usually, it's cramped. The shower is tiny. There's no storage. But not here. Not on the Kronos. You get a separate shower. It has actual glass doors, which is rare on a motorhome. You get a wash basin with a large mirror above it. You get a cassette toilet that's easy to empty and clean. And the whole space feels surprisingly spacious. It's a fully functional, comfortable wet room that you'll actually enjoy using. No more hating shower time on vacation. Image 8 luxury washroom interior. Okay, now for the part I pee. Okay, now for the part I promised you. The hidden features. What makes the Roller Team Kronos 274S such a smart investment for families? These are the little details that set it apart from the competition. Feature number 1. ISOFIX. Now, this might sound like a small detail, but for those of us with young children, this is absolutely huge. The Kronos is equipped with ISOFIX mount points for child seats. This means you don't have to worry about awkward seatbelt installations. You don't have to struggle with loose seats. You just click the child seat securely into the ISOFIX points and you're good to go. It's that safe and that easy. Your children are secure. You have peace of mind. And you can travel safely without any stress. Feature number 2. The huge garage and storage area. I mentioned earlier that the lower bunk folds away. Well, that reveals access to a massive rear garage. And I mean massive. It's big enough for bikes, for golf clubs, for kayaks, for camping chairs, for all the gear you need for a long family adventure. But here's the best part. It's not just a storage hold. It's a heated, lit garage. Yes, you heard that right. It has lighting inside and heating for the winter months. So your gear stays dry and protected from the cold. And there's even a 220-volt socket inside the garage. That means you can charge your power tools, your e-bikes, your drone batteries, or anything else you need. It's incredibly practical. Feature number 3. Solar power. You want to go off-grid, don't you? You want to park in those secluded spots where there are no electrical hookups. You want true freedom. Well, the Kronos comes with a 200-watt solar panel on the roof. This panel charges the leisure battery continuously. So even when you're parked in the middle of nowhere, you have power. You can keep the lights on. You can keep the fridge running. You can charge your phones and laptops. You can stay off-grid for days without needing any external power source. That's the kind of freedom that real adventurers crave. Feature number 4. Winter readiness. This motorhome isn't just a summer vehicle. Many motorhomes are designed for warm weather. But the Kronos is different. It comes with an insulated and heated wastewater tank. That means your plumbing won't freeze even when the temperature drops below zero. You can push your adventures into the autumn and winter months. You can go on snowy mountain adventures. You can experience the beauty of winter camping. And you'll stay warm and comfortable the whole time. The heating system is efficient and powerful. It keeps the entire cabin warm. So no matter the season, the Kronos is ready. Feature number 5. Driver Assistance Systems. It's running on a Ford Transit chassis, which in 2026 comes with some serious technology. It has the latest driver assistance systems to make driving safer and easier. You've got a rear view camera that gives you a clear view of everything behind you. You've got adaptive cruise control that automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. You've got lane departure warning. You've got traffic sign recognition. The cab is packed with advanced tech. It drives like a modern luxury car, which takes all the stress out of driving a large motorhome. You'll feel confident and relaxed behind the wheel. Now, let's compare the Kronos to other motorhomes in its class. Because honestly, there's really nothing else like it. Most family motorhomes give you 5 or 6 berths, but they're often cramped. The bed positions are awkward. The storage space is limited. The kitchen is tiny. But the Kronos does everything differently. It gives you a high-quality electric drop-down bed that doesn't compromise the living space. It gives you large bunk beds that even adults can sleep in. It gives you a luxurious kitchen with a tri-mix fridge and plenty of counter space. And then it adds all those hidden features that make life so much easier. The ISOFIX system is a game changer for families with young children. The heated garage and the solar panel system are perfect for off-grid adventures. The winter-ready design extends your travel season to the whole year. And the driver assistance systems make driving safer and more enjoyable. It's a complete package. It's a motorhome that truly understands the needs of modern families. And let's talk about the design. The Italian design heritage is evident in every curve and line. It's stylish. It's sleek. It's modern. But it's also functional. The layout has been thoughtfully designed to maximize space and comfort. Every inch of the motorhome has been utilized efficiently. There's no wasted space. There's no awkward design. Everything just works. The build quality is exceptional. The materials are premium. The attention to detail is impressive. This isn't a motorhome that's going to fall apart after a few years. This is a motorhome that's built to last. It's an investment in your family's happiness and your travel adventures. It's the kind of vehicle that becomes part of your family. So, I want to hear from you. Would you choose this motorhome for your family? Let me know in the comments below. Are you a fan of the electric drop-down bed? Or are you more excited about that massive garage and the solar power system? Do you think the ISOFIX system is important for your family? Share your thoughts. I read every single comment and I love hearing from you. The Roller Team Kronos 274S is more than just a way to travel. It's a way to bring your family closer together. It's the vehicle that lets you wake up looking at the ocean one day and a mountain range the next. It lets you chase the sunset and follow the sunrise. It gives you the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want, without ever giving up the comfort and quality of your own home. The blend of Italian design with Ford engineering creates a motorhome that is robust, luxurious, and incredibly smart. It's a vehicle that adapts to your needs. Whether you're traveling with young children or with teenagers, whether you're going on a weekend trip or a cross-continent adventure, the Kronos has you covered. It's spacious. It's comfortable. It's safe. And it's absolutely beautiful. If you want a motorhome that has the space for everyone, the comfort for the long haul, and the hidden features to make life easy, this is the one. I'm giving this a solid 9 out of 10 for innovation and family focus. The only reason it's not a perfect 10 is because there's always room for improvement. But honestly, this is one of the best family motorhomes I've seen in a long time. It's truly exceptional. If you enjoyed this tour of the new 2026 Roller Team Kronos, please give this video a like. That really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more automotive lifestyle adventures. We've got so many exciting videos coming up. We're going to be touring more motorhomes. We're going to be exploring the best travel destinations. We're going to be sharing tips and tricks for motorhome living. So don't miss out. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get alerted every time we upload a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the incredible Roller Team Kronos 274S. If you're as excited about this motorhome as I am, share this video with someone who needs to see it. Tag a friend or a family member who's thinking about buying a motorhome. Let them know about this amazing vehicle. And as always, happy travels. Stay safe on the road. Enjoy every moment of your adventures. Because life is short and the world is huge. It's time to explore it. We'll see you on the road. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.